हेलो। हाँ जी मैम, स्टूडेंट नहीं अभी आया बट। हम्म। Hello, Nischal. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? I can't hear you. You can just unmute yourself and turn on your video, Nischal.
Yes, ma'am. Now can you see me?
Yeah, yeah. Hi.
We sort of didn't click allow back there.
Oh, it's okay. How are you?
I am fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also fine. So let me just tell something about myself. So my name is Sakshi. I have completed my master's in science and BEd. I have been tutoring from past 6 years. I've cleared my teaching exam, CTET and PSTET as well. So my focus would be on clarity of your concepts and make learning easy for you. It's very great to see that your mother is also sitting with you. And
They told me that you should also join this class.
oh, really?
Yes, this no, especially told me ki demo class you also join, ma'am.
Oh, okay. That's great. That's nice. Okay, so today we are going to discuss a few things. Nishchal, you want to tell me something about yourself? Where are you studying?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Nishchal. I study in class 6th in IANS Model Senior Secondary School on Gikada, Charkhi Dadri, Haryana.
Okay.
And
In which school are you studying?
Aryan's Model Senior Secondary School. And my favorite topics are science, maths, and logical reasoning.
Okay, great. So what are your goals as of now? What do you want to do?
I'd like to clear IIT and MBBS, and after that,
Oh,
I'd like to become a scientist, or
oh,
if not, a doctor.
great, great, Nishchal. That's great. Okay. So today we're gonna discuss something related to your favorite topic only, your favorite subject only. Okay. So moving ahead, I just wanna ask few questions. Like Nishchal, you can see that there are so many objects that are placed behind you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I can see different objects around you.
Yes, ma'am.
Connect हो गया, connect हो गया.
Okay, so when we are talking about different objects, every object has mass.
Yes, ma'am. That's why it's matter.
That's why it's matter. So, what do you know more about matter? Like, what are the properties of matter? Are they all living beings or non-living things?
Well, ma'am, that depends on the elements of which it is made of. If a matter, and even in that, there is a probability. It is depending on the particular molecular chain and atoms in the exact order.
Yeah, like that depends upon the composition.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am. Just like if you, humans have HS90 protein, but even if there's a little amount, you can become very different. even a little this amount. So we need a exact of everything be a to create something living.
So according to you, we all are matter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when I'm talking about matter, like there are different properties of matter. If I'll say that, Nishchal, our earth, if we'll talk about our earth, so our earth is a big matter. Why do we call our earth a matter?
Well, ma'am, because the earth is made up of stone, stone, lava for the mental core, fire and water, many more elements which all have atoms and have a mass and fulfill the criteria for being a matter. So, and if the basic thing is a matter, then the end product will also be a matter.
What are the
Yeah.
properties of matter, ma'am is asking?
The
I
properties of matter are that matter consists of mass.
Oh, okay, but that is matter only. When we talk about mass,
Other
so
properties.
mass is what defines.
Other properties of matter is that mm, uh, it also has a volume.
Okay. So according to you, matter has mass and matter. Okay, obviously that's right only when I just put one statement in front of you that matter is something that has mass and occupy the space, and you are saying the same thing, right?
Yes, ma'am, that is the correct definition of matter.
Definition is fine, but when we need to ask about the properties, like how we gonna define the properties? Do you have any idea? Like matter is everything around you, right?
I got it, ma'am.
So could you name any two things that are not matter?
Um, Antimatter,
No, that is opposite. You are just putting an antonym of it.
but ma'am, it is something that exists outside of the universe.
But you have to name it. What is antimatter?
Space.
Like we usually say that everything that has mass and occupy the space is called matter. So you
Well,
can
ma'am,
opposite of it.
antimatter does not, human science does not have characteristics, but since we know it is the mathematical opposite of matter, so it's something which does not have a does not take up space and does not weigh anything, we can say that. Well, it is technically from a story earlier before the universe and during the time before the big bang, matter and antimatter were everywhere in the universe. So after the big bang, the antimatter could not survive in the conditions while matter adapted to it, so matter.
No, no, no.
Yes.
You're just confusing yourself. I'm just asking a very simple thing. Like we said that, as you can see in this Earth, like Earth is our planet, and there are different objects on our Earth. If you can see here, why is it called a matter? Because solids, talking about mountains, you can see the mountains, and there are different water bodies. Like maximum space is occupied by water bodies. Okay, so that's a liquid. And talking about vapors, Nischal,
Yes, ma'am.
how vapors are formed, like you can see the clouds are forming by evaporation. So that is how gases are formed. That is fine. So solid, liquid, and gases is what a matter is made up of. I am asking, what are any two examples that are not matter?
Changing shape. Matter.
Oh, properties.
No, just forget about the properties. Just let me know.
Yes, ma'am, that is what I'm saying. One is antimatter.
Are emotions matter?
No,
Is anger matter?
no, but ma'am, they are abstract nouns, so they are
But
technically
we are not
nothing.
doing grammar over here. If we just have to put any two examples of not matter, so what can be the best examples? Can these be the examples?
Yes,
Anger,
ma'am, because they are
sadness,
nothing technically.
yeah, anxiety, depression, and all sort of things which does not occupy the space and has mass, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Even by that
talking about,
logic,
yeah,
by that logic,
yeah.
emotions are made up of the same things as new, because they're the electricity and the stuff in our nerves and the neuron stuff, and so, and that is matter, so technically they are matter.
But those things are not permanent. So we
Yes,
cannot
ma'am.
say that they're occupying the space and they have a mass, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why we call it non-matter. Okay, Nischal, you can see here, these are the different states of matter. What are the different states? Talking about sorting the material based on matter,
Yes,
firstly, we'll sort them out on the basis of appearance. Okay,
States of
appearance. Different objects have different color,
yes, ma'am.
different texture. Some are hard, some are soft, some are lustrous. Okay. So when I'm
Yes,
talking about color, when I'm talking about softness and luster, we are talking about different objects which a matter is made up of. So the basic composition of the smallest particle, like Nishchal, we were talking about human body. So the smallest building block of human body is the cell, right?
yes,
Do you know that?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the
Four types
smallest?
of
Yeah.
cells.
So what is the smallest particle that a matter is made up of?
Atoms.
Yeah. Are atom divisible or indivisible? Can we divide them further?
That depends. See, if we generally talk about atoms, then they are indivisible. But if we talk about the subatomic particles or the parts of atom, then they are considered divisible. So,
Divisible. So what, how can we divide them further? Atoms are further divided into electrons.
electrons, protons, and neutrons.
Yeah. So on the basis of appearance, different objects have different color, different texture. Some are hard, some are soft, some are rough, some are regular and irregular. And talking about softness, which material are considered soft? Which objects are considered soft?
Anything which is flexible and has a smooth texture
Smooth
and has
texture
the
can be compressed
ability
easily.
to turn into concave.
and shape. You can change shape
Mama.
easily.
Yeah. I have put different objects in front of you, different states, solid, liquid, and gas. Can you tell me which one is a soft or can be easily compressed?
Solids.
They can be
No, no,
easily.
no, no. No, liquids and gases mainly, but some solids too.
Which one are highly compressible out of three?
Gases.
Yeah, you can compress them and you can apply high pressure on them and fill them up in the cylinders that we use domestically also, right? LPG cylinder, oxygen
Yes,
cylinder.
ma'am. My tongue sort of slipped and I accidentally said solid over there.
Okay, it's okay. Never mind. So then we have solubility. Solubility means some are soluble and some are insoluble objects. We are particularly talking about objects over here. Okay. Then we have metals or non-metals. So talking about all these things, you know, matter, what are the three states of matter? Firstly, I just want to know about that. Solid,
Liquid and gas.
they're very general and these you must know it already. And
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
the fifth, fourth and fifth state of matter?
Fourth is plasma present in stars, highly reactive. Then Bose-Einstein condensate, which has zero viscous force,
Hmm.
like He3 and He4. When four and three and four, either when three atoms or either four atoms or helium are combined, that is super fluid.
Yeah, so solids, the particle of solids are tightly packed. Okay. Force of attraction between the particle of solids are strongest. And in liquids, there are some spaces between the particles.
Yes, ma'am.
Forces of attraction are not that strong as compared to solid, but yeah.
Because there is it is technically like this. Many imagine of a asteroid, it broke into many pieces. There are those are the particles. If they are close, they will bind each other and apply
Yeah,
gravity
and
and
exert
become
greater
big
forces of
again.
attraction. Yes.
So technically like that.
Yeah, particle of gases are far
Very far away. So the
they are
gravitational pull does not work as good as the solids and liquids.
gravitational pull has no role to play over here. Like, in which sense are you talking about
No,
gravitation?
ma'am. There is a force of
Intraparticle.
attraction.
Yeah,
That is gravitational force because everything applies gravity on each other. I am applying gravity on my mother, and she is applying gravity on me.
how are you both pulling each other?
Okay. My teacher said that everything has
Yes.
gravity, but
Every object in this universe attract force on every other object,
which
and
is
that
close
force
to
is
them.
gravitational. Yeah, that's fine. But when we are particularly talking about matter, so I'm just putting up one a question in front of you. Like, we see that gases can easily flow, they are fluids, right? They can
Yes,
move to far distances. How is it possible for gases to move so freely, without any barrier, without any foundation? Why so?
well, it is because of there is a lot of space in the molecules, which means if one molecule moves and if there is nothing to pull gravity, it will just roam here and there.
Okay, I am
So
just
it
putting
will
things.
just roam and so these molecules will get interchanged. Like if multiple gases, like there's one gas here and one gas here. Some molecule
The
transfer here,
particles of
some
gases have, okay, yeah, the particle of gases have intermolecular forces or not?
intermolecular forces.
The forces that exist between the particles of
Yes,
gases,
ma'am, they are intermolecular forces,
are the forces
but
strongest
very
or
weak.
weakest? Are the forces strongest or weakest?
They are the weakest. Because
Negligible almost, right?
yes, ma'am, because they are very far away.
Yeah, they are very far. And what about the interparticle spaces? The
They are
spaces
in.
between the particles.
Yes, ma'am.
Are these maximum?
Yes, ma'am.
Does gases have a definite shape?
No,
No definite shape. Volume?
no, because if we about this much of gas, because all the molecules will just spread so far, like in different corners, and so
Yeah.
they can cover the space.
Yeah, perfume can spread very fast. The smell of a whistle of a cooker spread very fast,
You
right?
mean aerosols?
Aerosols, and just talk about real life examples like when there is a leakage at any place, so gases spread. The smell of that thing spreads very fast. Like, let's suppose Nischal is sitting in this room and something delicious is cooking in the kitchen, so the smell comes very fast to him, right? When he's
Yes.
hungry. So why so? The reason being is because the particles of gases are free to move in all the directions, and they
And
can
also, it is very close to me. If that
very,
depends, that depends. But if it is still far away, still it is fast.
it doesn't matter. If they're far away, then also they have a kinetic energy, right? They possess a kinetic energy that is responsible for the motion. Their motion is fastest.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we have changing the states of matter. How can we change the state of matter? Like, we can convert solid into liquid and liquid into gas.
Many melting, evaporation, condensation, freezing.
How?
Yeah, you
How?
can see here,
What
Nishchal,
process
what
will
is
be?
happening in this
will
kettle.
we will change the temperature temperature which increases kinetic energy, which bounds everything to move a bit, and over time a little distance is created, and that distance increases with increasing temperature, increasing and the increase in kinetic energy.
बेटा
Does increasing pressure play a role?
simple language बोलो by heating or cooling.
Yeah, I'm just going to ask him that here is a kettle. You can see the diagram of a kettle. So you just need to explain me simply how change of state is happening in this. That
Heating.
first of all, you need to analyze it, that what is happening.
Heating, ma'am.
Heating. So by heating, how the change of state occur?
Mm,
Yeah, Nischal.
yes, ma'am.
It in this kettle, when you pass on the heat, so these liquid particles get converted
Gas.
into vapors. So what is that process called? You can see that bubbles are just emitting
Evaporation.
liquid into gas, right?
E- evaporation.
Yeah. So when the temperature of this water goes up, so the molecules get excited and they start bouncing inside the kettle, right? If you
Yes.
give more and more heat energy to this liquid, so they will just gain that energy and try to escape out. Okay. So when they just try to escape out, they just become a gas.
Yes, ma'am. Because that the interparticular forces increases.
Interparticular forces are increased.
No. Distances. Sorry.
Yeah. Interparticle forces are least in gases. So talking about this solid Nischal, if you can see here, when we add on the energy, when we pass the energy to solid, it melts and change into liquid.
Yes, ma'am.
Pass on the energy again, it convert into gases. When
Yes,
we
ma'am.
pass on the energy to gases, they will turn into plasmas. Okay.
What, ma'am?
Plasma, super energetic particle, highly ionized gases. Plasma,
Oh, oh, yes, ma'am. Which
right?
are present mostly in the universe, even in our blood.
Stars, so many things. Plasmas are super energetic particles. So there's a change of state from one state to another, and we need to keep on adding the energy for this transition of state. So phase just describe the state of matter, okay?
Mm,
So if you keep on increasing the temperature, so there would be change in the state. You can give me one example. Let's take an example of ice, okay? Ice melt, right? When you just take ice out of the refrigerator, what happen?
it will melt.
It will, when you add energy, by increasing the temperature, it will melt into liquid. And again, you are heating it. What will happen? When you heat up the liquid or pass the energy to a liquid, how will it change its state? Nischal,
Yes, ma'am.
how will it change its state?
When we add energy
Liquid will change its state into
to gas, which is
okay,
water vapor in this.
gas, that is called water vapor. So liquid will convert into water vapor. Exactly same thing happen in our nature as well, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that process called?
Transpiration.
Transpiration. I'm
No, that
talking.
is with plants.
निश्चल आप
Evaporation.
कहाँ सो रहे हो? कहाँ होती है ये प्रोसेस हमारे नेचर में? बोलो तो सही।
Evaporation.
नहीं, ये प्रोसेस होती कहाँ है
The
हमारे?
whole cycle of nature.
Transpiration. वहाँ पर
बट नॉट ट्रांसपिरेशन। मैम जब टर्म्स बोल रही है कहाँ होती है हमारे नेचर में, कहाँ होती है, क्या बोलते हैं इस पूरी प्रोसेस को?
water cycle.
तो वही तो
Yes,
सिंपल चीजें पूछ
that's
रही
what
है मैम।
that's what I'm asking. Nischal, that's what I'm
मैम
asking.
क्या है?
So in nature, there's a water cycle process. You can exactly see how liquid changes into gas and gas changes into
Liquid. No.
Ag-
Yes.
Again, yeah. So, Nishal, just see over here. Solid turning into liquid, like ice is melting into liquid. That what we call to that process? Ice into water,
Melting.
melting, or you can call it fusion. What else can you say? Fusion.
Fusion.
Turning of ice into water, ice cream melting into liquid, different solids melting to form water. What are the different examples which you can give? Melting of ice, melting of ice cream, melting of chocolate, anything else?
Melting of butter. Or we can also say the melting of
Yeah.
water polymer.
Melting of?
Oh, never mind.
Nishal, what are you saying?
Never mind, ma'am.
You're saying never mind. So basically, solid turning into liquid is called melting, and it's also called fusion. And inverse of it, like let's suppose a solid to liquid is called melting, and what is the reverse of it called? Liquid turning into solid is called freezing.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a reversible process?
Yes, ma'am.
How is it reversible?
Because it is just a state change in physical state,
Change in the
not a composition.
yes, or it can be reversed. Okay, change of liquid into gas is evaporation, right? And
Yes,
the
ma'am.
reverse of it will be gas into liquid will be gas.
Gas liquid B will be no, it would be condensation. Gas
Yes,
to liquid is condensation.
condensation. Yes, and directly conversion of solid into gas will be direct conversion. Like naphthalene balls that we put.
Sublimation.
It's still the naphthalene balls, the white color naphthalene balls that we put in.
Camphor.
Yeah,
Naphthalene. Ma'am, I'm saying sublimation.
naphthalene balls, they just disappear after some time. And even camphor, when you just heat up the camphor, it directly convert into gas, right?
Yes, ma'am. I was saying that I'm saying the process is sublimation.
Yes, the process is sublimation. You should also know the examples of it. Okay. One is that is feeling cool.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know what did I contract.
Okay. Now, listen to ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You won.
Yes,
Yes.
let's still see here. So
Uh,
these are direct conversions of how one process, one state is converted into another by the change in the state only, change in the
yes,
phase.
ma'am.
You will just elaborating this flowchart right now. Solid into liquid, melting. Liquid back to solid is freezing. So is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. And gas to solid is deposition, which we did not mention.
It is mentioned over here. That's why.
Can you see
Yeah.
the
So
points?
that is called deposition. You can see here,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So next we have the conversion of gas into plasma. What is that
Oh.
called? Ionization. What do we call this?
We
Ionization.
ionization.
Molecules of gas are ionized due to the passage of heat. They get ionized. So that's why the state is formed that is called plasma. And opposite of it is
D.
It
Nischal?
is recombination.
Yes. Opposite of it is recombination. Just keep this thing in your mind that solid into liquid, liquid into gas, and gas into plasma. So these are the different states. Now next we have is Okay, so when we are talking about matter, Nishal, so
Ma'am,
matter,
what was ma'am, can you move to the previous slide? I think I'd like to take a screenshot.
yeah, you can take.
How can you zoom? First
You
zoom.
just need to remember recombination.
PRPSC से होता है.
Huh?
P
नहीं, first zoom this thing ना.
गूगल
You
मीट में होता है वो.
Okay.
just click a photo of it if you want,
Admin lab.
or you
कैसे
can
मैं?
write it somewhere. Any doubt you have in this slide, Nishal?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Oh, taken.
taken. Fine.
Everything taken into the mind.
Yeah. So the matter that can be separated physically. There are some objects, there are some particles in matter that can be separated as well. And those particles are called mixtures. Okay.
Yes,
And the
ma'am.
particles which can't be separated physically,
Are
like you,
called pure substance.
yes, pure substance. And what are included in mixture? There are two types of mixtures. One are heterogeneous mixture and other one are homogeneous mixtures. Okay. Pure substances include compound and elements. Now, what are homo and what are heterogeneous? Homo means same,
Yes, ma'am.
hetero means different. So, what it implies now? Homogeneous mixture are the mixture like sugar with each other, in which particles can be intermixed with each other mixture that are called homogeneous. Homo
Yes.
means same. When particles get mixed with each other, then it forms a homogeneous mixture. Hetero means different. When particles can't mix with each
Ma'am, your
other
network.
and they just form a separate layer. What else? What else in homo or hetero? I want to know one
In
example from you.
homogeneous, we cannot distinguish it with the human eye.
Two different particles.
Like basically particles get mixed with each other, so different techniques are used to separate them. It's not like we can't separate them, we can, but the particles
लिखो मैम को मैम.
mixed with, hello, yes.
Yes, ma'am, you were lagging. Could you repeat that?
Yeah, so I was just asking about heterogeneous mixture like sand in water, your oil in water, and can you give me more examples?
Heterogeneous.
Yeah, which mixtures cannot be mixed with each other? Like homogeneous mixture can form a solution,
Water
right?
and syrup.
Water and
Syrup.
syrup can be mixed with water easily, so it will form a homo.
No, ma'am. Not
Yes,
all.
yes.
The
You
cough
can.
syrup that which we drink, right? The syrups.
No, no, ma'am.
Which syrup you are
And which
talking
syrup
about?
are
Maple syrup.
which one?
Maple.
Maple syrup.
Okay, those which are insoluble in water. You are talking about them.
Yep, the one we use on pancakes or waffles.
Okay, but if in general you are talking about syrup, so they are soluble. They can be mixed. Like you just need to put one spoonful of it in water, they can be mixed. Okay, homogeneous that can be mixed and hetero that cannot be mixed. Homogeneous would form the solution as well. Okay. So Nishal, when I'm talking about pure substances, so it include compounds and element. Can
Yes,
you give me
ma'am.
any one example of element? They are basically made of same type of atoms. Elements are made of same,
Ozone.
yeah. Compounds are made by combining different atoms. Different atoms combined together, so they would form a compound. So in case of element, what can be the different elements? H2, because H2 is formed by combining H and H. Same atoms.
N2,
N2, because it is formed by combining same atom and
He3,
O3. What are you saying?
He3.
What is that?
What is this? He3.
It is a superfluid.
But when we are talking about it as a general, it is helium. Helium is a gas. It's a single entity. Any other example?
Hmm. O2,
Yes, O2. What else? You need to give me some examples of compounds.
compounds now.
Actually,
Carbon
the one
dioxide, hydrous oxide,
in
nitrous oxide.
yeah, in case of He3, you should not give example of it in element. You know why?
It is only helium combined.
Yeah, it's just an isotope of helium. You should not write it like He3. It should be like He3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's an isotope actually. So next we have our compound. Compound includes CO2, NO2,
So,
NH.
ma'am,
Yeah,
it can be example, but
No.
it is an element. Yeah, if we'll just consider it as an atom, it's an isotope actually. So rather than saying
yes,
He3,
ma'am.
you can simply say He. Okay.
But wouldn't that be just the individual atom?
Helium is an individual atom that can also exist as an element. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, we have mixtures. So you can see here that mixture, they can be pure substances and there can be mixtures as well. So when I'm talking about mixture, can you see mixtures with naked eye?
Yes,
Can you see mixtures?
yes, ma'am.
And what about pure substances over here?
Ask
What is the
them.
difference between pure substance and a mixture?
A pure substance only does not contain impurities
Okay. Do you
like
think
water and honey are pure substances.
any relatable difference between pure substance or mixture? Like I just gave you example. Pure substances include elements and compounds, and they cannot break down easily because chemical bonds are there. Like if I
So
have,
that's why I said water and honey, ma'am.
they can only be broken by chemical means.
Ma'am,
But talking about mixture, you can separate the mixture by
Ma'am,
hands as
can
well.
you zoom a bit? Excuse me.
Yeah, I can't zoom it. I'll just show you the whole screen. Okay. Yeah. Is it fine? Is it fine, Vishal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have pure substances and we have mixture. Pure substances are made up of one type of particles. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mixture is actually a mixing of something. So it means different particles, two or more than two type of particles are mixed in mixture. Is it so?
Yeah. Yes,
So
ma'am.
these are some examples. You just need to tell me which one are pure substances and which one are mixtures over here.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me.
Water is a compound,
No, no, pure or
but
mixture.
yes, it is a
Compound
pure
comes in.
substance.
A
But
compound
it is.
comes
I
in
was
pure.
telling the subtype in that.
Yeah.
no,
Pure, okay.
pure बताना है बस.
Pizza.
Pure and mixture.
Yes, ma'am. Water is pure. Pizza is a mixture.
Yeah. Sand.
It is a pure substance.
No.
No, it has many salts. So,
It
Mixture.
it is
has
a
so many
mixture.
decayed particle, dead and decay of plants and animals. Plant
And
and
also a lot of salt.
okay, mixture. Honey.
This has to be a pure substance.
Okay, one type of particle. Cereals.
Cereal. The, it is a pure substance. There's only one kind of cereal there.
Like which one?
Rajma.
Where is Rajma?
No cereal.
Rajma is pulses.
No, sorry, not Rajma. I'm very confused.
Rajma is a pulse. It's not a
Yes,
cereal.
ma'am. That is what I was saying.
Cereal include a staple food.
Cereal. Tell me
So what is
cereal.
your staple food?
Roti.
Cereal.
Wheat.
Yes, wheat.
Roti is a byproduct of it, but what is
Yes,
actually
ma'am.
wheat?
Wheat.
What else?
Rice and maize.
Okay. So what is it? Is it a mixture or is it a pure substance?
Um, which type of cereal are we talking?
We are talking about the wheat, rice, maize, and all oats, all sort of things.
Everything combined.
No, no, individually.
Okay, then they are pure.
Wheat in itself is a pure, according to you. Rice in itself is a pure. Maize in itself is a pure, right?
Yes,
But
ma'am. If
mixtures are composed of multiple substances. Let's suppose you'll make millets, you'll make cornflakes, so that would make a mixture. Is it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, sugar,
It is a pure substance.
flour,
Flour.
yeah,
Pure substance made from wheat.
laundry detergent and contain white and blue crystals.
Nope.
What is it?
It is a mixture of various chemicals.
Got it. Okay, so let me just move back. So I'm just moving to the last slide, Nishchal. I just want to ask, we will be covering this very soon. All of these things, separation method for mixture, you can see here. These are the different separation method by which you can separate the mixtures. Are you aware of it? Hand picking
Yes.
the stones from the grains, threshing, winnowing, pouring the flour by sieving, pebbles and
Meaning
stones. Yeah. So
that
winnowing,
what
threshing, hand picking, filtration, all of these by using all of these methods, you can separate the mixtures.
yes, ma'am.
I'm just moving to the, let me go back.
This is called physical
Yeah.
separation.
You have to select homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture from the following. Okay. Let's try this first question. These are from science, past science Olympiads only. Yeah. You need to tell me which one is homogeneous and which one is heterogeneous.
Question number 1. Can you read it?
Select homo and hetero from them. Mm, first is salt solution. It is a mixture.
No, you need to tell me
I
which is
mean,
homogeneous.
sorry. It is a homogeneous mixture.
Petrol and water.
Petrol and water, they are heterogeneous.
Read out and just let me know. The next one.
Hetero.
That is clear. I'm talking about the next one.
Next.
Sand and charcoal, they are hetero. Alcohol and water, they are homo. Air dissolved in water is homo.
Seawater,
Homo.
Huh?
it contains a lot of impurities.
Hetero.
But मैम it looks.
hetero. Hetero.
आपने कहा था लुक्स पे भी हो सकता है.
नहीं बेटा आपने बुक में भी दिया ये तो. Sea water is hetero.
Seawater, it contains actually a lot of impurities in it. Salt is
But
all
मैम it is not
pebbles and
distinguishable by
stones.
the naked eye.
बेटा
Nishchal,
पेन भी है, ट्विग्स
can you
है.
just see? Do you see pebbles and stone in it?
Last time when I went to a beach, when I saw seawater and
Don't
cupped
say me
it a
that
bit in hand,
seawater
not
is without
not
pebbles
like
and
that.
stones. Don't say me that.
But that is when we go to the deep extent. We are talking about the shallow part, probably.
No, we are talking about upper extent only. Seawater is a major source of impurities or sea salty content, saline. It's very saline. So
Yes, ma'am. But if a salt solution is homo, then why can't this be homo?
actually, you know what? There are a lot of suspended
Yes,
particles
ma'am.
in
If
water.
even if they are, can we distinguish them with our naked eye?
Yeah, we can because we can see pebbles
How?
in water. We can see stone in water that are easily visible.
Then, ma'am, does that mean MTG books are wrong?
No, in MTG it's written sea water is
MTG
hetero.
books are not wrong. They are also saying hetero only. It's just a
No,
confusion.
ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Mama,
It's just a confusion
no,
in your mind.
I can show you.
six wali. Okay.
I will show you later. You concentrate on your this.
Okay, now next, fruit juices,
They are homogeneous.
mist.
Homogeneous.
What is mist actually?
It is water hanging suspended in the air.
Yeah. Next, grass,
Uh, that
immediately.
is also homo.
You talked about mist as homo or hetero.
Homo.
You said that water droplets in air, right?
Yes.
But then you say that air is a mixture.
No, ma'am. Water droplets which are hanging in the air, where they are not in the air.
But how can you say that there are no impurities in the air? There is no
Uh,
mixing in the air.
they aren't, ma'am, because they are. See, they are just hanging in the air and it is just like something which is
Okay, you are
supporting
saying,
it.
I'm just putting your point here only. Water droplet in air. Okay, fine. So these water droplets are present in the air. What is air? Is it a homo or is it a heterogeneous mixture?
Air is a homogeneous mixture.
So when water droplets are present in the air, so mist is basically a mixture of tiny water droplets that are in air.
हम्म,
एयर में impurities नहीं होती.
पर आप देखते हो नॉर्मली
Dust.
आप
Smoke.
कितनी बार दिखता है वो
I don't
It's
know.
not about whether we can see it or not, but that would not create any
but
difference.
ma'am in MTG it is said that if it can be broken up by the human eye it is heterogeneous, but if
There
it
are
can't,
things in our surroundings, Nischal, till which we cannot reach. Can you break all of them to prove them that they are homo when they are actually hetero? So water droplet that are suspended in air, so it would be considered as hetero only. Okay, mist is hetero.
okay ma'am.
Initial, very good. Why do petrol and water form a heterogeneous mixture?
Hmm?
Just elaborate in one line. Why do petrol and water form a heterogeneous mixture?
Because they are immiscible liquids.
Select an incorrect reason for separating components of a mixture. Choose one out of it. Fourth question.
Question. It's a question. जल्दी. See to the question.
Yeah, fourth question. Last one. He must be sleepy. Fourth
Yeah.
one.
To separate two or more different to separate two or more different but useful components but until I will use it in pure
Incorrect आपको choose करना.
Incorrect
option
option. Be very
option
clear. Which option?
option 3.
Got it. Last but not the least. Okay, last one only. Fine. One to go.
Which is the question?
It's 14 to.
Process.
Observe the given process 1 and 2 carefully.
Oh,
Water boiling in a pan and water kept in a shallow pan. Placed to the sun. So bubbles are formed in process 1 will. No bubbles are formed in process 2. Process 1 is slow and process.
Which are correct?
yes.
Wow.
There can be two or more than two options as well. Just pay attention to which one are correct.
Ma'am, what are the 4 options?
Only
You can
three.
see ABC,
Only three options are there.
Uh,
but down there are
no, they are the statements, Mama.
So you tell which two statements are correct.
in first bubbles are formed in process 1 while no bubble formation takes place in process 2. Just analyze both of them. Process 1 is slow but process 2 is fast. Okay.
It is incorrect.
Okay, it is in. Just remove it. Process 1 occur at 100 degrees Celsius only, while process 2 can occur at any temperature.
That is correct because process 1 is boiling. When boiling only occurs at 100
Which
degrees.
option is correct out of A, B, C, D?
So, out of these 3 statements, I
Not
think
very
1
clear.
and 3 are correct.
Good. 1 and 3 are correct.
Which is which option?
It was
Great.
one.
C only. C only. C only. Nice, Nishchal. You answered it correctly. Are you sleepy or active?
That
Nishchal? I feel like Nishchal is sleeping, but he answered and responded really well. Like, I must say, he's an active student. Right, Nishchal?
ma'am, I do not know. You can ask my mother that.
But I can judge.
मैम
I,
इसको ना सिंपल चीजें बोलने की आदत नहीं है मतलब सिंपल चीज को कॉम्प्लिकेट करके कैसे बताना है ये आर्ट इसको बहुत अच्छे से आती है
And I
Mhm.
like doing that more.
But if that is creating confusion in his mind,
But
then that's
I can also make stuff simple if I
मैम
want.
एक्चुअली क्या है कि सिक्स स्टैंडर्ड के स्टूडेंट से इस तरह के आंसर्स की किसी को एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं होती तो वो मतलब कुछ और सुनना चाहते हैं लेकिन
Hmm.
सिंपल स्टेटमेंट दे वांट टू लाइक आपने पूछा था कि हाउ कैन यू चेंज स्टेट ऑफ मैटर
Hmm.
so he has to say simply by heating or cooling but
Hmm.
he started kinetic energy and blah blah blah,
Because
blah.
I wanted to tell exact processes.
But you are in
Nishchal
physics.
always, there is one principle, always go from simple to complex.
Yes,
It's
Not
not, reverse
complex
should
to
not
complex.
happen. Things
yes.
would be clear if you will go from simple to complex.
Okay, ma'am, I'll try. I'll become simple the next time.
Then complex. So that other person would hear to you with curiosity that, yeah, Nishchal is going to say something really creative. Okay. But if you will just break the ice initially only, so then other person won't be interested to hear you. Right, Nishchal?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
it's good, ma'am. Actually, it's good if he has knowledge with him. But the thing is,
Sure.
he should not be confused in his mind. He should be clear in his mind. So that's the only point. Then only
Yes,
he can
ma'am.
clear someone else.
कंसंट्रेशन से करता है तो मोस्टली ठीक करता है 99% सही रहता है
Hmm.
if concentration or interest is gone then he will not do anything
Yeah.
बट आपकी क्लास मुझे काफी अच्छी लगी
Okay.
फ्यू न्यू थिंग्स आपने ऐड ऑन की
Hmm.
Recombination and ionization, like that.
हाँ
Preposition as well.
हाँ जो मतलब इसको अट्रैक्ट कर सकता है कि हाँ ठीक है मैम इज टेलिंग समथिंग न्यू विच आई डोंट नो तो मुझे अच्छा लगा आपकी क्लास मैं कंटिन्यू करना चाहूंगी मैम आपके साथ
Okay, it's okay. Thank you. You
Mama,
were also there throughout the session, so I like that thing of yours.
It was just first class, that's why I was there.
No, no. I was quite happy that you were sitting beside him and guiding him. So that's really nice. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So, can we discuss timing? Ki at what time you can take?
Actually, ma'am, I just want to say that it depend on the days. Like on which days you want the classes? Every day?
No, like on 3rd December there is level 1 exam, na? So
Okay,
for
so he's
that,
going to do that.
for that we need the quick recap.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to finish the whole syllabus in 10 days.
Yeah.
So how many classes you have to take for that, and what will be the timings?
Most probably one session would be from 9 to 10.
9 to 10, ma'am, he gets very tired and sleepy.
because I have to do that day, because that is the time of the end of the day's work.
I can understand that, but the thing is, I have other sessions lined up. Then I can think of, I'll just plan out, I'll tell the timings to the admin team. So, if in case the timings would be suitable to you as well, like ma'am,
I
Sunday,
think
I can,
9 to, if you can give 9 to 10
yeah.
मॉर्निंग सो मॉर्निंग में बिल्कुल फ्रेश होता है ब्रेन तो
Actually,
एक
at that time, I am in school. So, I just
ओके
come back from school at 4:15 and reach home at 4:15. So, that's the
ओके
thing. Yeah.
ओके ओके मैम अभी देन यू कैन स्टार्ट आफ्टर 4 or 5.
Yeah, is 9 to 10 practically not impossible for you?
No, he loses interest at all at this time, na, at 9, because he gets exhausted with the
Mm-hmm.
school and everything.
Okay, then we'll plan out something. I'll tell you the timings. I'll share my preferred timings with you. So if it is okay with you, then we can carry forward with the things, ma'am, at earlier.
I'm okay with your teaching method.
I'll
Just
share the
just adjust
timings too.
time. Just adjust time. I just
Okay.
want कि आप in 10 days में इसका एक quick recap करवा दें.
Mhm.
Like daily total 11, I think 11 topics हैं
Yeah.
ओलंपियाड में इनके साइंस में.
My
Yes.
weakest is plants, the botany part.
Yeah,
So
there would be mock tests even. There would be chapter clarity. So you want me to focus on the concept clarity as of now?
yes ma'am, concept
Okay.
clarity. क्योंकि
Okay.
मॉक टेस्ट तो मैं भी करवा सकती हूँ ना, बट वो
Mm-hmm.
ऑनलाइन इसमें दिख जाता है ऐप में, सो ही कैन टेक मॉक. बट द थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट का रिकैप इसने ये थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट मैम जुलाई में रीड किया था एक बार, तो अभी
Okay.
4 मंथ हो गए हैं, तो ही नीड्स ए क्विक रिकैप. और
Okay. Was
वो
he taking classes from here only? On this platform only?
नो नो, ही वाज जस्ट रीडिंग नॉर्मल
Oh,
बुक्स.
okay.
Normal NCRT and MTG books.
Okay, our content is completely aligned with the topics that would be coming in the exam. So we
No,
will
no, no.
go
So
with the
ma'am,
quick review.
you need at least like in 1 hour you covered one topic now. Today you in 1 hour you covered one topic, sorting
Yes.
material.
But if you're saying that we have 11 days with us, then I have to plan accordingly so that we can cover everything in these
Yes,
11.
ma'am. So 11, at least you need to take at least 11 classes.
At least, yes.
At least.
Yes. But we need to take more than that, even if that works out and
That
something
will
would.
be better if you can take, ma'am.
The thing is only time, that time we need to manage. Like sometimes if we feel like 9 to 10 is very compulsory, so please cooperate sometimes.
Ma'am, if you can take 8 to 9,
Yeah, 8 to 9, I can take on. I'll tell you the timings. I just need to see my rest of the session timings. Then, in between, if those slots are free, then I'll definitely tell you.
okay.
Alexa,
Yeah.
He comes
Alexa.
he
Yes,
comes
I'm
from
all
school
cheap.
at 4,
Mm-hmm.
and after
I'm not
4
quite
he's
sure
free.
how to help you with that.
Okay, I got you that you are not okay with 9 to 10, but you're okay till 9.
Twice.
Hmm.
Is it
Okay,
so?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Morning batch will be better अगर आपके स्कूल अभी like schools open नहीं है ना due to pollution.
No, no, no. The place
You
where
are
I'm
not you are not from NCR. You
no,
are staying. Okay.
no, I'm from UT. I'm from Chandigarh.
Okay. That's why your schools are open then.
Yes, yes. Schools are open, but I would have holidays. I would have holidays sometimes on Saturday or Sunday, then so we can adjust that time in morning.
Yes. That's why
Okay.
I was saying on Saturday and Sunday you adjust in morning, and
Yeah.
on other days you take in evening, whatever
Yes.
time is suitable for you.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
But
Sure.
we have to complete syllabus
Yes.
in 11 days.
Yes. Yes. I'll make
And
sure that I'll
up,
be able to do it.
yes, ma'am. And if things goes well, then we can plan out for level 2 also after that.
Yes. Yes. Surely.
Okay, ma'am.
O-
Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.